In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the error code 268 in Roblox. Now first, what you want to do is you want to close down Roblox completely. Now to do that, you're going to open up Task Manager, come in under Details, press somewhere and press R. Then you want to find the Roblox player. Press End Task and End Process. Now once this is done, what you want to do is you want to right click on Roblox player, run as an administrator, and try and run the game. Now if this still doesn't fix your issue, what you can do is come down here, search for apps, open up apps and features, then let it load for a little bit. And once it's done loading, you're going to search for Roblox. Now what you can try and do is uninstall both of these and then go and install Roblox again. Now one of these two solutions should hopefully fix your issue, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.